Hi, my name is Alex, and today I will be showing you how to migrate an existing RackSpace VM to CloudSigma's cloud using CloudLeap. CloudLeap provides a very quick and easy way to migrate your existing RackSpace VMs to CloudSigma, where you can benefit from the performance and cost efficiency of our superior cloud. This is a three-step process. Firstly, we will install the CloudLeap client onto the RackSpace VM and configure it. Next, we will schedule a migration job from within CloudLeap. Finally, we will execute a virtualization request from within CloudLeap, which serves to deploy the RackSpace VM onto the CloudSigma cloud. Let's begin. In your RackSpace account, locate the VM you wish to migrate and log onto it using a remote desktop. Once inside your VM, launch your browser and access the CloudLeap portal. From the login screen, download the CloudLeap migration client. Once downloaded, run the CloudLeap client installer. Proceed through the installation process, and when asked for server configuration information, enter the CloudLeap portal details. This involves the Cloud Portal domain name or IP address, your Cloud Portal username, and your password. Once this is done, we can move on to step 2 of the process, scheduling a migration job from within CloudLeap. Close the remote desktop connection to your RackSpace VM and log on to the CloudLeap portal using your browser. You should now be able to see this RackSpace VM within the migrated systems list. In this case, it is labeled as CloudLeap Server. Click on the Details button next to the CloudLeap Server. Here, you will be able to see additional information regarding the RackSpace VM onto which we just installed a CloudLeap client. If you scroll down and look in the snapshots box, you will notice that we have not as yet created any VM snapshots. In order to begin migration, in the settings box, locate and click the Schedule Now button. Now, if we check the Jobs menu, we should see the CloudLeap server job begin to be migrated. Depending on the drive image size, this may take a while, so we'll cut to 100% complete. So now that's done, you're ready for migration away from RackSpace. If we go back to the Migrated Systems submenu, now that we have created a successful snapshot of the RackSpace VM, we can proceed with step 3 and deploy or virtualize the VM onto CloudSigma's cloud. Note the status of the VM is off. If we click on Virtualize, we can set the amount of RAM and CPU that should be allocated to the VM to be migrated and run on the CloudSigma cloud. Here, we can also set the VNC password to be used when logging onto this migrated VM. This is where the power of CloudSigma's cloud lies. Both of these parameters can be individually set, and these resources will be built independently of one another. You only pay for what you use, and you request only what you need. If the VM is deployed using test mode, the VM's clone disk will be deleted once it is stopped, meaning that any data that is modified on the VM drive image after starting the VM will be lost. In live mode, the clone disk will not be deleted once the VM is stopped, meaning that the data that is modified on the VM drive image after starting the VM will be preserved. One important thing to note is that once the VM is started in live mode, it can't be started in test mode later. Once we are done setting our CloudSigma VM parameters, we click Virtualize. Now, if we look under the Snapshot section of the Migrated System tab, we will notice that the status is green, meaning that the VM is running on the CloudSigma cloud. By clicking the Terminal button under Actions, we will be able to access the VM via VNC using the password we set earlier. If we now log on to the CloudSigma web app using our account credentials, then click on My Servers at the top of the screen, we will be able to see the same CloudLeap server listed and marked as running. That's it from all of us at CloudSigma. Happy computing!